Hello everyone. Now in this lesson we will solve this question. Again it is asked in JEE Advance. Here we have to find the coordinates of P, and it could have multiple coordinates. The only information given is that a parabola, a triangle OPQ, area is 3√2. O is the vertex of the parabola and PQ is the diameter, and a circle with PQ as a diameter passes through vertex O of the parabola, and P lies in the first quadrant. So this information is given in this question, and P and Q are distinct points on the parabola. So first we will draw the graph or the picture of this question. We will draw the parabola y square is equals to 2x. Then I'll put point P and Q on this parabola, and then I will draw the circle with PQ as diameter, and this circle also passes through. So the concepts that we are using are very elementary. The first concept is property of circle. The second concept is distance formula. The third concept is roots of quadratic equation, and the fourth concept is midpoint of a line segment. Let's start off with first. The first is the property of the circle. So whenever there is a diameter and you have a circle, so take any point on the circle, and if you make a triangle, so the angle is 90 degree at the point. Now we'll use the property of a midpoint of a line segment. So if P and Q is given to you, then the midpoint of that, so the coordinate of C will be the x coordinate of P, x coordinate of Q divided by 2, and y coordinate of P, y coordinate of Q divided by 2. And if we join OC, then OC is equals to CP is equals to CQ, and which is nothing but radius of the circle. Okay, now let's, and one more thing that we will use is how we denote a point on a parabola. So my parabola is given as y square is equals to 2x. So if we take x as 2t square, I will get y as 2t. So point on the parabola is 2t square comma 2t. That means parametric form of a point. So I can write point P as 2t square comma 2t, and point Q as 2q square comma 2q. And we have given that area of triangle OPQ is 3 root 2, and since triangle OPQ is a right angle triangle, because of property of circle that we have discussed recently, so I can write half into OP into OQ is 3 root 2, or OP into OQ is 6 root 2, or OP square into OQ square is 72. Now we will use the distance formula. What is OP square? That is 2p square whole square plus 2p whole square. What is OQ square? That is 2q square whole square plus 2q whole square. Now we will put into that, so you will get 4p to the power 4 plus 4p square into 4q to the power 4 plus 4q square is 72, and 16p square q square p square plus 1 q square plus 1 is 72. Remember this equation. And next we will use this fact that OC is equals to CP, because they are the radius, and we know the coordinate of C, so I can write OC as P square plus Q square by 2 whole square plus P plus Q by 2 whole square is equal to CP. So CP is 2p square minus p square plus q square whole square plus 2q square plus 2p p plus q into whole square. What is this? This is distance formula. So now I can write this as this. Solving this, you will get 4p square q square plus 4pq is 0, or 4pq pq plus 1 is 0, so pq is minus 1 is valid, since pq equals to 0 implies p is 0 and q is 0, and p and q are distant, so p equal to 0, p equal to 0 is not valid. Now we put this in equation number 1. So my equation number 1 is 16 p square q square p square plus 1 q square plus 1 is 72. So p square plus q square will be minus 1 whole square, and expanded we will get this. Now again we put, you get 16 p square plus q square plus 2 is 72, or p square plus q square plus 2 is 72 by 16, which is 9 by 2. So therefore p square plus q square is 5 by 2. and again we put the value of q in terms of p. So you get p square plus 1 by p square is 5 by 2. Now this is a quadratic form, so this form will become this. Now if you let p square is equals to t, you will get t square minus 5 by 2t plus 1 is 0. So t is 5 by 2 plus minus 25 by 4 minus 4 by 2, which is 5 plus minus 3 by 4. And t is nothing but p square is either 2 or 1 by 2. So therefore p is either plus root 2 minus root 2 or p is plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Now p lies in first quadrant, it is given. So p can be root 2 or 1 by root 2 because it should be positive. So my coordinates of p is 2p square comma 2p, which is either, if we take root 2, it will be 4 comma 2 root 2. If you take 1 by root 2, it will be 1 comma root 2. Hence A and B are the correct option. If you understand this lesson, please like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.